we shall devote this video to reviewing your trigonometry. Trigonometry was introduced to you way back in grade 9 mathematics. This topic was introduced to you right after the topic on right triangles. So the way we defined your sine function, cosine function, and tangent function is in relation to the sides of your right triangle. So let's say, for example, we have this right triangle. So pay attention to how we label the angle of a right triangle. So this one means this is a right angle. So a right triangle is a triangle that contains a right angle. And in this case, the right angle is angle B. So how did we define sine, cosine, and tangent? For sine, we defined it as the side opposite over the hypotenuse. So if this were your theta, the side opposite is the side that is facing your theta, and the hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to the right angle. So in this case, it's going to be the side B. For cosine, what we do is we get the ratio of the side adjacent. Okay, so what is the side adjacent? The side that is adjacent to theta. This is your theta. So this one, the side adjacent over again the hypotenuse, which is side B. So in this case, it's A over B. Cosine of theta is equal to A over B. And for tangent of theta, tangent of theta is equal to the side that is opposite to the angle divided by the side that is adjacent to the angle. So in this case, it's C over A. So we have a mnemonics for sine, cosine, and tangent functions, and we call it SOHCAHTOA. S there stands for the sine function. O is for side opposite, and H is for the hypotenuse. Again, what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to your right angle. Ka stands for cosine. C stands for cosine. And A is for the side adjacent. H again is for the hypotenuse. And T stands for tangent, the tangent function. Of course, you know that there is another set of trigonometric functions, and these are the reciprocal. These are the reciprocal of your sine, cosine, and tangent. So this one, cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of your sine function. Secant is the reciprocal of your cosine function. And this one is, you read it as cotangent. So let us answer some exercises. Find the values of the 6 trigonometric functions of an angle. Let us find sine of alpha, cosine of alpha, and tangent of alpha. So again, what we do is, you remember your SOHCAHTOA. Okay? This is your angle alpha. So let us look for sine. Sine of alpha is equal to So side opposite. So that's 3. And then the hypotenuse, H. That's 5. So sine of alpha is 3 over 5. And then let us look for cosine. Cosine of alpha is equal to the side adjacent. Okay, this is your alpha. So your side adjacent is 4 over, again, the hypotenuse, which is 5. And tangent of alpha is equal to the side opposite, 3, over the side adjacent, which is 4. So tangent of alpha is equal to 3 over 4. So I will write again your sine, cosine, and tangent function. Sine and tangent of alpha is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so let us now go to the next exercise. Let us look for the other three trigonometric functions, your cosecant, secant, and cotangent. But this time, we shall get cosecant of beta. So what do we do? Well, what you do is you remember the fact that cosecant of beta is the reciprocal of your sine function. So what is sine of beta? Sine of beta, okay, so this is your beta, is equal to SOH. It's SOH, side opposite, over the hypotenuse. So it's equal to 4 over 5. So this means that cosecant of beta is equal to 5 over 4. How about secant of beta? Secant of beta is the reciprocal of your cosine function. And cosine of beta again. So look at your angle beta. So the side that is adjacent to beta is, so this is going to be 3 over the hypotenuse. And so your second beta is 5 over 3. For cotangent beta, okay, that is the reciprocal of your tangent function, 1 over tangent of beta. So that's going to be equal to, what's tangent of beta? It's the side opposite, that is 4, over adjacent. This is the side adjacent. So it's going to be 4 over 3. And so cotangent of beta is equal to 3 over 4. So again, the cosecant function, secant function, and cotangent functions are the reciprocal of your sine, cosine, and tangent functions.